Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to remove your Gmail account from unwanted website in your mobile device. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on here. Now, getting to your phone setting, you have to scroll down and then make sure you look for Google. To click on Google. Just like so. So the next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on Manage your Google account. So it's going to take you to this particular page. So next thing you need to do is to simply go to Data and Privacy. Just like so. Then you have to simply scroll down all the way down to, just scroll down to third-party apps and services. Click on that. So you're going to have all third-party websites that you have been using your Gmail account to have access to your website right here on your Gmail account. So right now, as at the time of making this video, I have about 4 different websites on my Gmail that have access to my data on my Gmail account. So what we want to do now is to remove them from our Gmail account in order to protect our account safely. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to remove this particular PNG3 website. So I'm going to simply click on that. So it takes you to this particular page. So now keep track of your connection with PNG or delete all connection you have with PNG. So the next thing you want to do is to simply click on here. Delete the connection you have with PNG3. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on confirm. So you are no longer connected to PNG3. You cannot connect to PNG3 again. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to remove your Gmail account from unwanted website with your mobile phone without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you